Welcome in quadratic equation part 8. In this part, we want to solve two more problems based on quadratic equation. So these two problems are written for you. First of all, we solve this problem, then we come for this. So let us see. The problem is, first let us see the second one. The perimeter of a right triangle is 60 centimeter. It means there is a right triangle. Right triangle means its one angle is 90 degree, then it is called a right triangle or right angle triangle, same thing. Its perimeter is 60 meter. Perimeter means AB plus BC plus AC, ये पूरा boundary is given 60 centimeter. Its hypotenuse is given 25 centimeter. This is called hypotenuse. Opposite to 90 degree is given 25 centimeter. You have to find its area. I think question is clear. Let either this side or this side, let this side x centimeter. One side we have taken x centimeter. So what will be this? This plus this plus this is 60. So this will be 60 minus sum of these two. 25 plus x means it is 35 minus x. This much centimeter will be your third side. So if one hypotenuse is given 25, if we are taking one side x centimeter, then this remaining side will be your 60 minus this plus this, means 35 minus x centimeter. Now all the three sides are there. You have to find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle, it is a right angle triangle, so area can be taken as half into base into height. Base is 35 minus x, height is x, but we need x. x निकालना पड़ेगा. x निकालने के बाद इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया हम लोग निकाल लेंगे. ओके, तो you will write simply let ABC be the triangle where AB equal to x centimeter and therefore BC equal to 35 minus x centimeter. Okay, and therefore now it is a right angle triangle, so you can write perpendicular square plus base square. Base means 35 minus x, its square, equal to hypotenuse square. Is not it? It is true for any right angle triangle. From here we find the value of x. After finding x, area of triangle 1 by 2 into base into height. So let us simplify it. It is x square, use a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 70x equal to 25 square. I think you have understood this. Now see, x square 2x square minus 70x 70x, and that side 25 square minus 35 square. This can be taken as a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. A plus b means 25 plus 35, that is 60, a plus b, into a minus b means minus 10. So this will be minus 600. Okay, so you can take 2 common and cancel. 2 common, then x square minus 35x, and 2 common and it will come below 600, so equal to minus 300, and from here you will get x square minus 35x plus 300 equal to 0. This will be your quadratic equation. Now by solving this quadratic equation you can find the value of x. इसको सॉल्व करके हम लोग x निकाल लेंगे, and after finding the value of x we can find area of the triangle. Okay, so let us find x now from here. What will be x? Minus b. Minus b. b means here minus 35. Plus minus root under b square minus 35 square minus 4ac. 4 into a into c is 300 by 2a. Simply 2. Is not it? Now from here you have to calculate the value of x. Minus minus plus 35. Minus square is plus 35 square. 35 square, how much it will come? Let us multiply. So 5 1 2 2 5 1 2 2 5 minus it is 1200 by 2. Okay, so it is 35 plus minus it is 25 roots 5. Okay, now take if you take plus sign 40 by 2 20, and if you take minus sign then it is 15. So value of x is coming 20. Value of x is coming 20 and 15. Okay, so what is x? This is x. So if you take this is 20, then what will be this? This will be then 15. Is not it? And if you take this is 15, then this will be 20. देखिए x का दो वैल्यू है 20 और 15. x का वैल्यू अगर 20 लेते हैं, मतलब ये साइड अगर 20 लेते हैं तो ये हो जाएगा 15, और x का वैल्यू अगर 15 लेते हैं, ये 15 लेते हैं तो फिर ये 20 होगा. सो यू कैन टेक आइदर 20 और 15, एनी वैल्यू यू कैन टेक. ठीक है, तो चलिए 20 ले लिए, 20 भी लीजिए, 15 भी लीजिए, एक ही आएगा. एरिया विल कम सेम. देखिए ना, if you take 20 then this will be 15. if you take this is 15 then this will come 20. is not it? इसको 15 लेंगे तो फिर ये 20 आएगा. एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल विल बी हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. तो बेस अगर 15 लेते हैं तो हाइट 20 होगा नहीं, और अगर बेस को 20 लेंगे तो फिर हाइट 15 होगा. तो बात तो एक ही आएगा. ओके, सो व्हाट विल यू डू? You will write if x equal to 20, then this perpendicular is 20, base is 15. Again you will write if x equal to 15, then perpendicular 15, base 20. So area will be either half 15 into 20 और half 20 into 15. एरिया तो दोनों ही केस में सेम आएगा. तो आप इसको कर लीजिए 10. So 150. ये साइड सब दिया हुआ था सेंटीमीटर में, तो ये होगा सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो दिस विल बी एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. आप x का वैल्यू एक बार 15 लेकर के एरिया निकालिए, इतना ही आएगा. फिर x का वैल्यू 20 लेके एरिया निकालिए, सेम आएगा 150 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम. नाउ कम टू the next problem. See what is here. Sum of the areas of two square is 400 centimeter square. Two squares are there. one square, another square. In this way, two squares are there. Sum of the areas of two square is 400 centimeter square. Let its side is x centimeter and its side is y centimeter. Two squares are there. Let x centimeter and y centimeter are the sides of the squares. Okay. Therefore, according to question, sum of the areas of two square, what will be its area? इसका एरिया होगा x स्क्वायर और इसका y स्क्वायर. It is given sum of the areas of two square. पहला का एरिया प्लस दूसरे का एरिया. This sum is given 400. Take it equation number 1. Also, if the difference of their perimeter is 16, what will be its perimeter? X is side, so perimeter will be 4x. Perimeter मतलब पूरा बाउंड्री. x साइड है तो ये भी x होगा, ये भी x होगा, ये भी x होगा, स्क्वायर है ना, तो पेरीमीटर होगा 4x और दूसरा का पेरीमीटर होगा 4y. दिया है कि इफ द डिफरेंस ऑफ देयर पेरीमीटर, ये हुआ डिफरेंस ऑफ देयर पेरीमीटर, इज 16, let x centimeter and y centimeter are the sides of two squares where x is suppose greater than y. दोनों में से कोई एक बड़ा होगा ना, हम लोग सपोज कर लेते हैं कि x बड़ा है y से, तो इसका पेरीमीटर होगा 4x, उसका होगा 4y, तो ये 4x बड़ा होगा, 4x minus 4y 16. From here you have to calculate the value of x and y. Two ways are there. Either you find x from here, substitute here, it will gives you a quadratic equation, then by solving you can find y, or from here you can write x minus y equal to 4. Is not it? Therefore, squaring both side, if you square, then it will be x square plus y square minus 2xy equal to 16. X square plus y square is given 400 minus 2xy equal to 16. So from here you can write 2xy equal to 400 minus 16, 384. ये 16 घट जाएगा, इक्वल टू 2xy होगा, तो 2xy इक्वल टू 384. Okay, so what will be 4xy? 4 into 384, oh sorry, multiply it by 2, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिएगा तो हो जाएगा ना. ये 2xy है ना, तो what will be 4xy? 2 into 384, so it is 8,768. Okay, this is your 4xy. Why we have taken 4xy? Because x minus y is there, we want to find x plus y. After finding x plus y, x minus y is already there. By adding, subtracting, we can get the values of x and y. So now you will find the value of x plus y. ये कैसे निकलेगा? x plus y का होल स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं x माइनस y का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 4xy. ये फॉर्मूला है. a प्लस b का होल स्क्वायर बराबर a माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 4ab. ये सब फॉर्मूला पढ़े होंगे आप. a प्लस b का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू होता है a माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 4ab, और a माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a प्लस b होल स्क्वायर minus 4ab. So these results will be used. Okay, x minus y already given 4, सो इट इज 4 स्क्वायर 4xy का जरूरत था ना, इसीलिए इसको निकाले थे 768. नाउ ऐड, so it is 784. okay, so you have to find x plus y. X plus y will be this side, square root 784. so what will be its value? 784. you have to find its root. okay, eight. So 28. We take the positive square root 28, है ना, negative we will not take. See, x is what? x क्या था इसमें? x and y are sides of a square. ये एक साइड है स्क्वायर का, ये y भी एक साइड है. साइड है मतलब पॉजिटिव है ना, इसका कुछ लंबाई है ना, तो दोनों का सम तो नेगेटिव नहीं होगा ना. स्क्वायर रूट लेने से प्लस माइनस लेते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग यहाँ पॉजिटिव वैल्यू लेंगे, बिकॉज हियर these are coming length of the sides of two square, so it will come 28 its square root. So what we are getting? X plus y equal to 28, and what is here? X minus y equal to 4. ये आपका 3 है. This is 3. X minus y equal to 4, and we have got x plus y equal to 28. Now if you add, y will cancel and you can find x. So by adding, no need to write, by adding 2x equal to 32, and therefore x equal to 16 centimeter. Side of one square is 16 centimeter, and therefore what will be y? Y will be 16 minus 4. y उधर जाएगा, 4 इधर आकर माइनस होगा ना, 16 minus 4, 12 centimeter. So side of one square is 16 centimeter, and side of second square means another square is 12 centimeter. What was the question? Find the sides of the two squares. Sides of the two squares are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeters respectively. I hope you have understood the problems. So this type of application problems you have to solve. Number of different type similar problems are given in your book, so yourself also you can try few problems. In the next video we will try to solve few more problems based on application of quadratic equation. In this video this much. Thank you for watching.